Let's consider the question that we have on the board. We are asked to simplify the square root of root 25 minus root 24. Okay, how do we simplify this? The first step is that we know that the square root of 25 is 5. So I'm going to have 5 minus the square root of 24 can be written as the square root of 6 times 4, right? Okay, so for this, I'm going to have the square root of 5 minus the square root of 6 multiplied by the square root of 4. Okay, so for this, I'm going to have the square root of 5 minus, now the square root of 4 is 2, right? So I'm going to have 2 root 6. Do you understand? Okay, please pay attention. From this point, the square root of 5 minus the square root of 2 root 6 can be written as the square root of 5 minus 2 root 3 times 2. Do you understand? This is dot product. Do you understand? So don't be confused. Now from this point, I'm going to have the square root of 5 minus 2 dot root 3 dot root 2. Do you understand? Okay, having gotten to this point, this 5 can be written as 3 plus 2. Okay, so let us put the square root. Minus 2 dot root 3 dot root 2. Okay, so for this, I'm going to have the square root of 3 minus 2 dot root 3 dot root 2. Then this plus 2, I'm going to take it to this point. Do you understand how I got here? I rewrite this 5 as 3 plus 2. Are you getting it? So I put this 3 that you see here is here. This negative 2 root 3 root 2, this is it. Then this plus 2, I put it at the back. Are you getting it? So now, having gotten to this point, the next step is that you know that I can rewrite this 3 as 3 square, the square root. You understand? Or simply this. I can rewrite this 3 as this. Are you getting it? Minus 2 dot root 3 multiplied by root 2. Now, this 2 can be written as plus the square root of 2 squared. You understand? It's still the same thing. If you expand the bracket, you're going to have 2. Are you getting it? So, now, put the square root. Okay. Now, having gotten to this point, you know a property of expansion. If you have a squared, a plus b squared. A plus b squared can be written as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, you know. So in that case, I can rewrite square root of 3 squared minus 2 root 3 root 2 plus root 2 squared. So I'm going to have the square root of root 3. Please pay attention. Square root of root 3 plus root 2 squared. If you expand this, listen to me carefully. If you expand what you have in this bracket or in this parenthesis, you are going to have what you have here. Maybe we should try that. Root 3, let's do it. Root 3 plus root 2 multiplied by root 3 plus root 2. So yeah, root 3 times root 3, that is what? Root 3 squared, right? Root 3 squared. Root 3 times root 2. Root 3 times plus root 2. That is plus root 3 dot root 2, right? Then plus root 2 times plus root 3. That is what? Plus root 2 plus root 3 dot plus root 2. Then plus root 2 times plus root 2. That is what? Plus root 2 squared. Plus root 2 squared. Okay, so I'm going to have root 3 squared plus 2 dot root 3 dot root 2 plus root 2 squared. You can see that when I expand the bracket, I have this in term. So that means that we are actually correct. The simplified version of this is this. Do you understand? I just show it to you. So let me erase this. So in that case, the square root of root 3 plus root 2 squared, this will cancel this. So I'm left with what? Root 3 plus root 2, which is the final answer to the solution to this square root. You can see that this square root is beautiful. So that is the solution to that question. If you want to learn more on SOLD, you see, and this one that you see here is an expression in SOLD. If you want to learn more on SOLD, there's a link in the description of this video. Click on that link to watch all the classes. You understand? I did a comprehensive class on SOLD. So